look at the image. This image or diagram shows the position of salivary glands. We have three pairs of salivary glands. They are parotid glands, one pair, submaxillary or submandibular gland, one pair, and sublingual gland, one pair. Do you follow? First, parotid gland. Parotid glands are the largest salivary glands. They are located just in front of the ears. Parotid glands made up of serous cells. Parotid glands open on floor of the oral cavity through duct of tension. Duct of tension open near upper second molar. Then submaxillary or submandibular glands. These glands are located below the jaw. These glands are made up of serous and mucous cells. These glands open into the floor of oral cavity through Watson's duct. Third, sublingual gland. These glands are located under the floor of the mouth and below either side of the tongue. These glands are made up of serous and mucous cells. Sublingual glands open in the floor of the oral cavity through duct of Rivinus. And now the fourth pair of salivary glands are called or named seromucous tuberous gland, made up of both serous and mucous cells, so it is called seromucous gland. These glands discovered in September 2020. They are located posteriorly in the nasopharynx and nasal cavity. So mainly there are three types of major salivary glands, or there are three pairs of major salivary glands. They are called parotid gland, submaxillary or submandibular gland, sublingual gland, and recently discovered seromucous tubercle gland. And minor salivary glands, there are 800 to 1000 minor salivary glands, and they are located throughout the oral cavity within the mucus layer. Do you follow? Now, what is saliva? Salivary glands secrete saliva, or secretion of the salivary glands is saliva. 99.5% of saliva is water, and 0.5% of saliva is solid. I mean, there are 0.5% solid components. Among 0.5% solid components, inorganic component is about 0.2%, and they are sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium carbonate, etc. And among 3% organic components, there are cells such as bacteria, yeast, protozoa, and enzymes. Mostly start splitting enzymes. Those are ptyalin, maltase, lysozyme. Okay. Pancreas is one of the important human digestive gland. Pancreas is an irregular and elongated gland. Pancreas is situated in the abdominal cavity below the stomach, from duodenum to spleen. It is divided into three parts: head, body, and tail. Look at the diagram. You will find head of pancreas, body of pancreas, and tail of pancreas. We know that pancreas is a mixed gland consisting of both exocrine and endocrine part. Exocrine part of the gland is made up of many circular lobules. Each lobule is made up of numerous glandular acini cells. I am providing you another diagram showing acinous cell of each lobule. Pancreatic duct collects secretion, and this duct unites with common bile duct to form common hepatopancreatic duct which opens to the duodenum through an ampulla of water, and endocrine part of the gland which secretes hormone is made up of smaller cells called islets of Langerhans, which contains alpha, beta and gamma cells. Watch the diagram carefully. You will find alpha cells, gamma cells and beta cells. Secretion of pancreas, I mean secretion of exocrine part of the pancreas, is called pancreatic juice. It helps in digestion. It is alkaline in nature. 98.5% of pancreatic juice is water, and 1.5% of pancreatic juice consists of solid components. Among 1.5% solid components, 0.5% is inorganic components. They are NaCl, KCl, NaHCO3, CH3PO4 that is mostly alkaline in nature, you know, and 1% of pancreatic juice among 1.5% solid components is organic components. Various types of enzymes, digestive enzymes present: amylase, trypsinogen, lipase, elastase, collagenase. These are the enzymes present here, and also polypeptidase and chymotrypsinogen are also present in pancreatic juice. Now, functions of pancreas. Exocrine part secretes pancreatic juice, which digests carbohydrate, protein and lipid food materials. Enzymes, trypsin, chymotrypsin, they help in complete digestion of protein. And endocrine part, that is alpha cells, secretes glucagon, beta cells secrete insulin, and delta cells secrete somatostatin hormone. And particularly this hormone, somatostatin hormone, plays an important role in digestion. We shall discuss it later. So these are the functions of pancreas.